Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Have a look at the back of the Ambassador 1 at the moment. Well, I got that wrong in my video. No, it's definitely Ambassador 1. How many rooms there are, guys? I've seen a few of the YouTubers doing videos on here just lately. Yeah, of course it's closed at the moment. So weird, it's going to open end of February, March time. So we start a new season. So guys, what we're ordering now, it's a bit on the end here. Very much looks like this is just going to come out as another terrace. From the bar, the hotel rather. Whether they're going to put another bar in there, I don't know. It's the old nightclub, just across from Morgan's there. What do you think, guys? Another bar? We've got one open at the moment. Well, it's not actually open because the hotel isn't open, but yeah, got one bar when they're open, running. It's the Explorers Club there. That's on the back side. Usually gets pretty packed when there's sun on here. People in Benidorm tend to follow the sun. Okay guys, we're going to have a look around the other side. What they're going to do with this piece on the end. Normally there's a TV, a screen that shows what's going on in Morgan's, I think it is. That seems to have been removed. So I don't know guys, I think they're going to do something with it. I said earlier it's probably up for terrace. Maybe another bar. The police station and the information centre there. See Morgan's bar across the road. I'll give you an over the wall shot. Definitely looking to me like it's going to be a terrace or another bar maybe going in there. They did start knocking the roof about. They've done some of it and left the rest. I don't know what's happening with that, guys. So if it's going to be a terrace though, they'd pull it all down. If we hear any more, we'll let you know what's happening there. That's what we do want to know about at the moment. I think it's going to be open pretty soon. There's the bar at the other end. The Western Saloon. Give you a bit of a view of Ambassador 2. It's all the same thing. I don't know why there's a 1 and a 2. I think maybe times they've brought the properties. So yeah, the Western Saloon bar now. It looks like it's ready outside. We can get a look, we'll have a quick look in there. Inside I think they've got refitted out and stuff. It looks like what's going on down here. Sorry guys, a bit high there. See if we can get a peek view of it. As I say, I think the Ambassador will be open the end of February or March. Beginning of March. You know, see a few people back obviously. Here we go guys. Still got a little bit of work to do out here. And it's just to put up. And I should imagine the work's going to be inside then. Get that fitted out. More wiring lights going up I think. I think it will look good when it's finished. I don't think it's been a rush job though. So I was hearing they spent 12 million on doing this refurb. Yeah. No, I can't confirm that guys. That's something I got off somebody else's channel. Seems well worth it to me for what I spent down in town. 30 million for what is not much more than a Meccano set. The advertising board thing they've got down there. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.